Today I'm going to be talking about how to use the Isovist app to kind of make point Isovists. So first I'm just going to import a file that I've exported from Rhino. You can also select a file that you've exported from AutoCAD alternatively. Now, going into point Isovists, I'm just going to select point Isovist here. And you can see as I move my mouse, it's kind of projecting the view from the Isovist from that point. You can also click to place points around in areas that you might want to consider, just like this. In this case, I'm kind of selecting points along different axes we put in. With the blue just selecting areas you can see, and the yellow lines are kind of just pointing to the different axes from that point, kind of the edges of what we can see, with the pink kind of circles kind of representing the obstacles or corners kind of impacting the Isovist. You can also alternatively choose reflected Isovist. There's a few options here. And yeah, this tool essentially can help you see just how far you can see from any point on this map that you've loaded. In this case, we can kind of help use it to arrive where you might want to place landmarks, for instance, that would help with wayfinding. This is just using the show measure rows. Once again, you have a few options for this. You can also adjust the far rim or the near rim if you wish.